Hey guys, Youngboy Reviews back here again, and after my first video, I have been having thousands of requests to start a new one, so today we will be reviewing the banana. Now this particular banana is from the species Musa balbisiana, which is a very common type of banana. And like interesting fact, there are actually a lot of different types of bananas, but they've all gone extinct because of one plague. And Mrs. Oliveris from Northwood High School's environmental program taught us that when she went to Hawaii, she just tried an exquisite amount of just different bananas, and I just couldn't miss out. So I went to the supermarket and asked my dad for $1, and I went in the supermarket and I got a banana, and he called it a ripoff, but I called it an opportunity, because as my dad says, once you cut a tree down, 5 more grow out. So, without further ado, this is my review of the banana. So I'll just take my first bite here and that's a good banana. Yeah, never eat a banana peel because it's actually really horrible. So that was kind of it. I don't know what else I can talk about with this banana, but looks like it needs Viagra or something. Okay, well. Now who wants me to eat this entire half banana in one bite? I do. Okay. So that was it. I think I kind of wasted like even minutes out of the entire life of watching me review a banana, but there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video on what I should review next, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Yep.